እነዚህ ህፃኖች ትመጣለህ ጅል ነውጣ አንተ እናትህ ና እኔ ወደ ቤቴ ገቢ ኧረ በል እኔ ያገባኝ ያ ከቤቴ ትወጣለህ ፖሊስ ናችሁ በቃ አክብሬ ነው በውስጥም ያናገርኳችሁ ሰላም ናችሁ ባይ It's not good.
6 hours later
18 ዓመት ሽንት ቤት አጥበህ ማታገኘውን ብር ነው ገቢ ይሄ ነው አጋደጥሽና ዝም በለሽ ስሚ ለሚሴት ልጅ መብት እዚህ ታውቀዋለህ አይገባኝም ገቢ ጫቴን ገቢ ያቃሌ እንግዲህ መንግስት እንደዚህ አዙሬው ላሳየዋለሁ ሉቃቲ ከእሷ በላይ 14 ስልክ ምናምን ማታ ይዤ ምን ይዘህ መጣ ምናምን ደስ ያለ ገቢ ጨሴ ላይ መጣ ነው እንዴ ሮሌክስ ቃቤ ብዬ ገቢ ምን እሺ ገቢ እኔ እኮ እንዲያራራድር ያው ነጯ እየተንከራተተች ነው ሚቺድን በጂፒኤስ ምናምን አገባኝም ከእሷ በላይ 14 ስልክ ምናምን ማታ ይዤ ገባሁ ግን ምን አገባኝ እኔ አያገባኝም ገባህ እና እንዳንተ ሽንት ቤት ምናምን እንደጠበለህ ኮንስትራክሽን ምናምን እንደስራለህ የሸርሙጥ ደወል ያ አስተዳራ የመጨረሻው እኮ ነው እያለኝ ያ ማለት በቃ እና የሁለት ሺህ ብር ቃል መልስ ነው የምትሉ 2000 ብር አላብድም ገቢ 2000 ብር ደሷ እንደዚህ አውድ መልስ አውጥቼ እሸርሙጣ አለች ለምን አሯን እንደዚህ አባ 18 ዓመት ሽንት ቤት አጥበህ ማታገኘውን ብር ነው ገቢ ይነቀላል እኛ ጋር አባ የወንድ ልጅ ስራ ነው የሚሰራው እንዳንተ ጃምባጨርኩ ያስተጣው ምናምን አይደለም እዚያ መበለው ገቢ በገንዘቤ ነው ገቢ ጥሩ ይቻለኝ አሪፍ አኬራኒ ሳነሳም አሪፍ ቁስ ነው ገቢ በፓውንድ ነው መሸጠው ገባህ ወደ ሀገር ዝቅ ሳላገው እዚህ አይቀባኝ ካንተ ጋር ግን እዚህ ጋር ላጣል እና I need every come off your life what do you want come off your life because someone stole my phone who stole my let me I need to I'm calling police bro for this it's coming what I need my phone call every I need not talk me no don't talk me don't touch me bro don't punch you in your face bro bro I promise you don't touch me I'm crazy man don't no I'm crazy I'll punch you in your face bro you touch me you what do you want fuck you bro come on my face bro you know who you're dealing with bro I'm telling you look you in my face look you in my face listen the girl danger face you think I'm look at my face yeah I will smash my iPad in your face, bro. Fuck you, girl.
Alright, listen, bro, girl's lost her phone, face, yeah? Bro. And she's asking.
I'm asking you calmly, you'll go get it, you'll come in my face,
is anyone else in? Maybe they found her phone.
I don't listen.
Huh?
I don't listen, you language.
You're speaking the language.
I don't listen, you language.
What's that mean?
I'm Spanish.
You speak Spanish?
Spanish, yeah.
Okay. But
Bro,
you're
now
saying
we're
English.
saying that is at number 82.
Huh?
Is that this address,
I
bro?
can't hear.
Bro,
I don't understand.
look what it's saying now. It's saying that is at number 82. This is this address, bro.
Just give up the phone.
Bro, do you have my... Bro, there's bare man that live in this yard. Bro, fuck it, bro. I'm gonna set you, bro. Don't fuck with me, bro. I'm not this one.
Get out, get out.
I'm gonna fuck you up. Listen,
Get out,
listen.
get out.
Don't touch
No,
me.
no, touch you. No, touch you. Get out. No, touch you for you. Get out. Get out. Okay, lads.
You have to give up the phone. My phone is at number 80. Yeah, just call police and say I'm here. I just see...
Call the police. What do you want?
The phone.
Call the police.
What?
Call the police.
The police?
Yeah.
How much people in this house? 5.
Fuck you.
Huh?
Fuck you.
That's fine.
bro.
Yeah, how much people now? What?
That's fine.
Bro, it's in the yard.
I know, bro. I don't... Bro, give me my work shoes. I'm fine. You understand?
Bro, bro.
You're not going to achieve it like that.
Bro, the way he's talking to me right now...
Worse off.
I'm about to run up in the yard, you know.
Listen, there's 5 people in this phone.
Yeah.
5 of you have... One of you...
Police coming to this open.
One of you...
Yeah. Police
one-
coming to this open.
Listen, one of you have the phone.
No door open. Okay.
One of you have the phone.
Me.
You're drunk.
Everything drunk. Yeah.
Are you really-
I'm smoking drunk. Cooking this.
You're not Muslim.
This. Yeah, I'm crazy, man.
Are you Muslim?
No.
You're not Muslim. I'm Muslim.
Jubia. Jubia.
I don't know what that is.
Jubia.
Yeah,
Not the
He's in this guy's yard, bro. He's not trying to open the door.
Are.
The location is active. And it's...
Now what you're doing?
Put us bar, bro.
Man, what you're doing? Because
Yeah, man.
you think you're mad. You get.
Bro, I'm about to
I've drove
fuck
all
up
the way
man,
from
man,
this
bro.
store. You need. There's 5 people in this yard, and one of you have that phone.
So I'm not leaving without my phone. Sorry.
We have nothing. We have nothing. We have nothing to do. We have nothing to do. We have nothing. We can wait out here all day.
Bro, I'm not leaving that door.
And ተሰቅለሽ እንደዚህ አትበ አባሳ ለኔ ምን አያጠኝ ለጠጣ እንጂ አቺ ወደዛ
You was out yesterday.
በዳዲሻ
You was out yesterday.
ይሄ ወደዛ እናሽ በዳዲሻ ሩታል እኔ ምን አገባኝ
You was out yesterday.
እኔ ምን አገባኝ
Was you out yesterday?
ምን አገባኝ
Hold it. Out yesterday.
አቺ እንደዚህ አቺ
Go on.
እንደዚህ እንደዚህ
But the store's open.
ሲነሽ ምናምን እንደዚህ ወዳ ሚካኤልን ስልክሽን አለ በዳሻለሁ
Bro, do something, bro.
What do you want these girls?
Do something.
These girls what is
Do something.
This is my door.
Put your hand down. Put your hand down. Cause
This
I'm
boy.
gonna in your face.
Why?
Who? Bro, fuck the police, bro.
The police ain't help.
Three girls what do you want?
There's 5 men in we were staying.
Only what for you?
Maybe one address a lot. So we might enter it today. Like, possibly on the 4th.
ነፍስህንም ባጠፈው እንደዚህ ነው ገቢ ምንም ይመጣብኝ ነገር የለም አባህ
In that case where it's been
እኔ ዴፊኒት ያለኝ ሰው ነኝ ገቢ እንዳንተ ሲቲዝን አይደለም ኢንዴፊኒት አለኝ እንደዚህ ደረቴ ነፍቼ ከራከራሉ
This is the
ገባህ
only person that's giving us trouble.
እ
You understand?
ገቢ እስቲ ጫፌ እንደዚህ ለምን አይዘኝ
would be enough for police to go in. If that makes sense.
ማቱ ነች እንግዲህ ገባህ ሴት ነች ተረክታ አይደለም የሴት ልጅ መብት እዚህ ታውቃለህ አይገባኝም ገቢ
They say sound pending will say what's connected.
ጫፌን ከነቀኝ ገቢ
There's multiple.
ያ ቃሌ እንግዲህ መንግስት
My man's on
በእንዴ
live.
እንደዚህ አዙሬው ላሳየዋለሁ ላይ ሉቃቲ ይላሪ ነው አጋደደሽና ዝም ብለሽ ሚ
What's wrong with this guy?
what is got
Why is he not playing? I don't get it.
It's looking hectic to life.
እኔ ራሱ አልሰማሽም ሶሪ እነዚህ ህፃኖች ትመጣለህ ጅል ነውጣ ና እኔ ወደ ቤቴ ገቢ። ኧረ መልበል እኔ ያገባኝ ያ ከቤቴ ትወጣለህ። ፖሊስ ናችሁ። በቃ አክበሬ ነው በውጭም በውስጥም ያናገርኳችሁ። ሰላም ናችሁ? ባይ This is not for this one crazy guy. Yeah, what crazy guy?
Do you speak English?
Wait, yeah, she's speaking English. Yeah, perfect English.
Perfect English.
Perfect, yeah, language, perfect.
You've been on the drink.
What do you want?
What do I want?
Yeah, drink. Just let me enjoy.
You can enjoy it, man.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. 1 million.
What is it?
1 million.
FaceTime
1 million people. Look at this.
That's
1
cool,
million. Man. Yeah, I'm famous.
Nice.
Yeah. This girl coming. What do you want? What do you want? Phone. Give me phone. What? Give me phone. Take mine. This.
They're not trying to take yours.
Look at this. Camera. Come.
Listen, don't touch me.
Come. Touch me. Come.
It's fine.
What?
They're not trying to take
This
your
guy
phone. They're obviously
danger.
trying to find their phone. Okay.
This
You know,
danger.
you don't need to point.
Okay.
I understand you.
No problem. No problem. No problem. Okay, just enjoy. Yeah. ካልተዝናና ግን ይደብረኛል። በቀዳሚ ምድር ልሸጠረኝ ነው ልሸጠረኝ። አረ ብሩክ መጥቷል። የሀገር ፖሊስ ውጭ ጋር ይቆመው ሚኪልን ስልኩ እኮ የታለ ልሰጣቸው ቆሟል። በቃ እሱ ነው የምልሽ። ያ ማለት ቢፈትሹ ነው የምልሽ እኮ እዚህ ጋር ውጭ ጋር ናቸው።
ብድግ ብዬ ቁጭ አልኩኝ።
እታችን ጭንቅ አሉኝ። አንቺ በዚህ ጋር ሳቆ በዚህ ጋር ምናምን ጭራሽ ከቤት ውጡ አልኳቸው። እዚህ ጋር አናስገባ ምንም ቤት ደስ የለብኝም።
ችግሮች ናቶብሽ ነው
ሸምቃሎች ናቸው። ውርብን ያርጉኝ መቤቴ ነገር መራሜ ጨራሽ እዚህ እናቱ ለብዳል። እስቲ አሁን እዚህ በጓሩ ሸምቃል ቲኗና ይወጣል። ያሴ ቀበሮ የሚሉ
ሲዳር ገረ
አንቺ ጆር ኪል እያደረኩ እየተዝናናሁ እኮ ነው። ኪል እንደዚህ እየተዝናናሁ ምናምን እንዲህ ምናምን መቱ ጆፌን ጥሎ ነው አላወቀኝም። ደማንም ጠንበሰደሰኛ መሰየው ታያለሽ። እዛ ጋር ሊገላለጥ ምናምን ቀባጭሉ አበላህ ሚካኤልን ጨራሽ እንደዚህ ነክተህ ምናምን እንደዚህ ሲመጡ ምናምን ወደ ሀገርን ገብ ቋንቋ መቻል ህገ መንግስቱን ማወቅ ያማን ዘርቀ እንኳን የለም። የሁለት ሺህ ብር ሰርኪ አልመልሱም። ገቢ ለምን መልሱዋለሁ? አባመጡ የለም ባኛ ያጡ ማጌጥ ነገር ገቢ እኔ እኮ የነገርኩ ሲፈጥር ነገር ሶስት ዲጋ ጋር ከዛ አባዎቹ ጋር